Ejebusia, members of the New Patriotic Party NPP akopiem ewo Accra High Court achese omo kwakwa siki bill ediama eye Abronye DC na eye Baba Amando any chairman Buga in fact omo message edema His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na eye honorable Hawa Kumsin so abekasa ono de ende ensema hoka na ebusia anodin authentic press studios making sure so be like you subscribe you and share ama fofo so enya bi ahwe ejebusia wey update about Abronye DC ni issue na chese ekopim ewo Accra High Court achese yesa detain no in fact anye NPP for dem achese mo be demonstration kese ka say decision achese Accra High Court judge eteki no enye ntomo de enya ade a omobeti ase emanu kompo no me face video me be kire mo achese kwan e fa so achese Abronye odisen afenyu marking blasty Accra High Court judge achese o chemo a okase enya ade a respecting da na ebusia after that no na achese cancel de ma Abronye DC afenyu marking na afensu no honorable Opon Kojo Nkrumah eko file bill application say omo de ne ekoso no omo ntiase ntino anka be ya omo ma Abronye DC bill say na be ya omo behu the way forward baby omo de asam no ebeto enti na omo kopie mu wo court ache say omo kodi bibia na before ache say omo be kwa kodi asam no kwampo no
Buga is even Mahama Gina back. No more yes. Allez, je suis là.
NPP social media commentator at CFN Baba Amando edisemi beto abontia ochimu say in fact near president anasebia aban no ne kame akoyese democracy na ye kasi democracy no say no enye democracy bi kame akoyese autocracy na chese Ghana ye practice wa hase.
This Nanado Danko Akufo had packed the courts with NPP judges and now he was going to balance it, and indeed he has. When he came, he had appointed not less than 73 judges. So if President Mahama can call the judges NPP judges, unanimous FC, Sami Jemfi descended on the then Chief Justice. They actually threatened to remove her and they did. So now you're telling me that Abronye is just saying that his lordship is a political judge, warrants this kind of treatment. It's sad. But President Mahama was not arrested. He was not molested in any way. So what are we talking about? It's a shame. Our democracy is under siege. And we must wake up as a society. We must rise up and fight this kind of canker. Because we can't have this vicious cycle. It's under the NPP. It was not like this. Yes, if you say anything out of 10, what you are actually, what you are expected to do, if they call you, you come and answer questions. That's all, and then you go back. Sami Jemfi was not remanded, right? Malik Basinteli was not remanded, right? They said worse things. Today they have added remand to it. Things that are supposed, you come, you take your statement and you go back. They will not allow it. This is a government that has lost track. And I'm telling you, a government that has failed. Cocoa farmers are suffering. They are not paying attention to it. Teachers are suffering. Nurses are suffering. As I speak with you, maize farmers are crying because of maize clout. You are not paying attention to this. Today, the Bank of Ghana is saying that it has lost 34.6 billion. Gold board has lost not less than 9 billion. You are not worried. Our money is being depleted anyhow. And this is what you are going after. It's a shame. It's a shame. President Mahama must bow his head in shame.
And to kasa wiye no na chese chairman Buga chese oye NPP for omo national third vice chairman edin se bi beto abonti a o chimu say look near Mahama no in fact Mahama and the best set the history say he's going to be the first president that say ofi ade so pe na ye che no because of niema na oye no kame akoye say adenti na che say wo ye niema na enye no bia ba abontin a che say o criticize na wakoti nipa no say o kasa wani ma na say bia odidi watem na omo de omo nkahwe na mmom say power e change 2028 a ehonom na che say Mahama any NDC party ni nya be say yes noko je
president in the history of Ghana, John Mahama will be the president that at the end of his term, he will be a president who ended his term and he will be prosecuted. He will be prosecuted because Ghana is not belongs to John Mahama. Ghana is not belongs to NDC. Ghana belongs to Ghanaians. And we are Ghanaians. And this country, they shouldn't think we are in a revolution time. They shouldn't think that it was the time they killed judges, the PNDC, NDC. The judges, when judges come from court, when they didn't know anything, they should look at their colleagues' heads and ask themselves, the judges of Ghana, they should ask themselves, those 3 people who were murdered unconstitutionally, who murdered these 3 people? Who murdered these 3 people? It is the PNDC and DC. J.J. Rawlings was the PNDC chairman when these judges murdered.
Now, in fact, after that, you know, NHS said, Honorable Howard Kumsin, Eba Bontia, or no so all case, near President in the area, and Kamea say, he is trying to infringe on a NPP for our rights. So, no more the amount cash in the air course, no more the money kind NHS president, you know. No more train, Kose, Omo Obi and Kase Bia Bibi, and to president, name no on Kashain in Kudru.
Welcome to So what brought you to court this morning?
Oh, but you need to ask me why I'm here today.
Yeah, I know, but I'm still.
I mean, in the news, I'm not sure you've heard that our cousin has any case here. But for me to be here, it means I've come to also show solidarity to my brother here. And that's why we are all here.
Okay, the new Patriotic Party has petitioned the international community on the basis that rights have been infringed on. What do you say to that? How swift do you
Is it not true that our rights have been infringed on? Is it not true? Before the NDC came to power, was there no government in the country? Was that what we were seeing? Intimidating people here and there? No. I mean, you remember His Excellency, the former president, said people should not be spectators. They should not sit on the fence. Whatever they have, any issue, they should come out and air it out. And so, are we saying that we don't more have freedom of speech in this country? I know that freedom of speech, we have our limits. I'm not sure that some of the issues are so serious that the person should be arrested. It's not fair. The intimidation is too much. We are in a democratic era. I mean, we are not in a...
After that, you know, and I just say, Buga court, I just say, Omukodi assembly by. Neno, and I just say, NPP, Omu General Secretary, Justice Frimpong Kodia, and in Simi Beto Abontia, ultimately say, in fact, a normal court, you know, before then, Omu file a bailing application. Edema Abronye Sankebe a court on share no money bill because of this and that. But I know more court no before just almost file application you compound no catch almost say ye be di asem no e a criminal court too bende omuduru honom no enye sa na eti oma yi case no e di akọ another court a say omo NPP for no mu nimu hwe enti no mu move forward e ko honom a say omu kodi nsem na no e na say ochiemu.
As you are aware, our party, led by the Council for our chairman, Abronye, filed for bail application, which the Attorney General was duly served, and today was fixed for the hearing of the bail application. Indeed, we knew and we were told that per the electronic allocation, the case was to be heard at the criminal court 2. So this morning, we went to the criminal court 2. After some few minutes, our lawyer, Kojo Okonkoma, told us that, surprisingly, the case has been moved from where officially it was allocated to a different court, to our dismay. And indeed, as at Friday, we are aware that the docket was sent to the criminal court 2. So as to why the case was moved to a different court is something that is mind-boggling. And we are aware it's part of the gymnastics by the system to frustrate the bail application. But be as is may, the registrar, Somutu, decided to move the case to a different court with the excuse that it was an error. How can electronic allocation of a case be an error? And in correcting it, the registrar manually decided to move it to a different court. But however, guided by the principle of due process, our lawyer and the team moved to the new court, which is the General Jurisdiction Court 2, Court 3. And our application was moved. But however, the Attorney General's office opposed to the application. In fact, they rather said that they wanted the case to be adjourned so that they can study the procedure to be in a position to advise, which our counsel objected to it. That since they have been served 6 clear days, definitely they must have read the proceedings and be in the position to respond. Her ladyship decided to take a short break to reverse and give a decision. But after she took the short break and our counsel made the argument, she said that she has listened to both the public and the counsel for the accused and has adjourned the case to tomorrow. So tomorrow we shall be back to the court, and whatever decision that will be given, we shall address you accordingly. Thank you very much.
After that, you know, and I just say Justice Frimpong Korea didn't seem to have on here. Ultimately, say court any case, you know, at the accord a year 21st May 2026. That is Echena. And you know, omo training say Echena. Nyankopon ya adom na seche so omo tin kwan mu a o mesa ko bi mu na afin so no o ma ko mu baby a